Hey people, so we are at a place called Burger Mart. Ayush, take a bite of this. Tell us how it is. And basically, this is at the metro station. And Ayush, come into the frame, please. It's a beautiful day, really. Oh, there's a place to sit here. Should we sit there? Keep walking in front, please. No, very unique type ice cream. Yeah, Ayush, once we go down, there are they will wonder beta that we have there's a temple here that has many people sitting on the outside. Ayush, give me a bite of that. Doesn't taste good also.
Oh my god, I got it because I can decide.
Okay, walk in front. Oh God.